Hello, what's up everyone? So, welcome to my channel. So, today we are continuing with the episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. So, in the last episode, as we saw, Deji himself has become a devil and also agreed to be a pet. Uh, Now, I guess he will be staying with the girl as he always dreamed like. Yeah, so let's get started.
Sorry, that was my stomach.
It's fine. What's your name?
It's Denji, ma'am.
Make a mental note, Denji.
Huh?
You have agreed to become my pet, so you're officially under my care now. Which means woof or yes are all you say. Things like no don't come out of my dogs.
You're kidding, right?
I'm giving you some perspective on this job. I have an acquaintance in forensics. They told me unhelpful pups get put down.
Here I was thinking she was sweet. Hell, I even liked her a little. Who knew she'd turn out to be so scary? Treating me like a damn dog of all things. I just remembered that Pochita's dead.
None of us have eaten breakfast either. We'll grab a quick bite at the rest stop up ahead.
No food for me. People always call me dirty and smelly and straight up avoid me. Nobody ever acts this nice. Especially when they look half as good as her. I'm in love. I'll take some udon and sausage on a stick. Is that cool?
Very cool. Curry udon for me, if you please.
Coming right up.
Man, that don't sound bad either. You know.
Whoa there. Are you okay? Can you stand up?
Poor fella.
You smell good.
What's the grand total?
Denji?
One moment, sir.
I'm
Comes out
sorry.
to 1100
Those
yen.
ones my chainsaws tore through.
Just how did your body evolve into a human weapon?
I adopted a pet devil, and the little guy replaced my heart. Unbelievable, right? I honestly don't want to believe it. Pochita given up his life so I could keep mine.
Historically speaking, a devil taking the place of a human's vital organ has very few precedents. So few, in fact, it doesn't even have a name. Though it's rare, I believe you. See, I have a nose that detects certain things most can't, and it knows you aren't lying. Your best friend is still alive inside of you, both in a figurative and literal sense. Your body's emitting two smells, one human, one devil.
Yeah? Awesome. That's such a huge relief.
Guys keep falling.
Where's the udon? Where?
Like
You're
it?
acting like a
It's endearing to see someone enjoy soggy udon this much. You're a good boy, aren't you? No different than a trained dog.
So I didn't catch your name.
Makima.
Miss Makima, do you have a type? Like in guys?
Well... Currently, I'm into Denji-type boys.
Denji type? Dude, that's me.
or she likes me.
Do you have a type? Like in guys?
Currently, I'm into Denji-type boys.
You know, I'm into you too, Miss Makima.
Come on, Denji. We're going in here. This building's the Tokyo HQ for our devil hunters. Including civilians.
We can do that stuff together. I want it. I want to do that stuff so bad.
You listening?
Yes?
Put these on. We typically work in uniform. Once you're dressed, I'll introduce you to a colleague. This gentleman here is Aki Hayakawa. He's your senior by 3 years. You're going to shadow him for the day, Denji.
I thought you and me would be working together as a team.
Well, you figured wrong. She's still out of your league, you don't even play the same sport. Let's go patrol.
Wait, please, Miss Makima!
Really? Get up.
No way! I ain't going anywhere unless it's with her.
Perform well and we'll work together down the road. The road's length depends on you. So chin up and do your best.
Hey, big man. Is Miss Makima, like, single, or...
He also likes her.
Yeah, you really should quit. Show up tomorrow and I'll kick your ass again.
What's your problem?
Just that my kindness seems a bit wasted on you. People who don't knuckle down and wise up to this job die. Every associate I've met that got into devil hunting for the paycheck is pushing up daisies now, and that's not an exaggeration. The only ones who survive are those with strong convictions at their core. Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here, am I right?
Bingo.
He has power only
Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you.
otherwise like
I'll do you a favor and tell her you ran away, terrified by the devils that would have ended you.
Thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice, cause when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing! Okay, so I had some udon for the first time ever today. I also ate a sausage. Another first for me was being treated like a freaking human being. Someone even paid for my meal. I'm almost afraid I'm gonna wake up from this dream. So what if I didn't think it through when I agreed to this gig? I would die to keep this life. Understand me? Well, maybe I'm not okay with dying. It's not just my life anymore.
They both are fighting for that Makima. Testicle devil.
I think assigning Denji to your squad is the right choice.
Squad?
This punk in my unit? I've got enough troublemakers as it is. Adding another weirdo to the mix would... I don't know.
Remember when I put your team together? I said that you'd be operating differently as a sort of experiment.
Please, ma'am, what's the deal with this guy?
Denji here is a human. However, he can also turn into a devil.
Damn straight. Pretty sick, huh?
Are you being completely serious? Kind of a shock. I never took those cases for more than baseless rumors.
This case is special. Thus, Denji is going to be receiving special treatment from us. Should he attempt to resign or ever disobey orders, he'll be disposed of as a devil on the spot.
Wait a sec. What does that mean?
We're colleagues until death do us part.
You'll be living with me now. Makes watching you easier. FYI, I've been instructed to kill you should you run.
Hey, you think Miss Makima is bad?
If you're that unsure, then you should just give up on her. You are a devil. Be grateful that you're alive. Hunting your kind is what we do.
Then Miss Makima's good.
That should go without saying. How could she be anything less when she saved my life?
Yeah, she's good. Hope I can hug her again someday. Ah! Got strong. Whoa! It's friggin-tastic! Wow, 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 wow.
Finish it up in there!
Don't sleep on the toilet!
A fiend's been reported in an East Nerima residence. All civilians have evacuated and the area is fully cordoned off.
So the fiend in question is holed up in a second-story room. We'll let you devil hunters take it from here.
Got a rookie tagging along, Hayakawa?
So, what's this fiend thing?
Please, they cover fiends in school.
Well, I didn't go to school.
Devils who take control of corpses are fiends.
Wait, that would make me one.
No, their heads have very distinctive features. You'll see what I mean soon enough. Fiends have the devil's personality, and you're gonna kill this one. Turn devil and show me what you can do. That'll help me determine how useful you are.
Don't look. I'll poke your eyes out before I kill you! Damn devil hunters to hell and back!
Hey, why didn't you transform into a devil?
Well, when I kill things with my powers, it's messed up. Like, super cruel. And I was thinking, yikes. How stupidly close was I to ending up like Beetleface over here? And bottom line is, I wanted to make it painless if I could.
You know the real bottom line? Fiends are bona fide devils. No place for sympathy if you're hunting them. Know what else? I witnessed a devil kill my whole family. I've had drinks with those cops outside. They're risking their lives to protect the people they hold most dear. Everyone's serious about this, but you. I want any devil I slaughter to suffer as much as possible.
That's true. He was living alone, nobody liked him.
Guess I pissed him off. Truth is, I was just trying to keep blood off the merchandise. Gets gory real fast when the chainsaws are revved and raring. I made it quick and easy. So these are my reward. All right. The porn is secured.
Show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
You know I'm serious, right?
Dreams are same.
Pochita, I'm living the dream. My end of the bargain is being fulfilled.
I'll remember that. Believe me.
Bet we don't see eye to eye because he's still chasing his dream. Well, I already nabbed mine and then some. I take daily baths, eat awesome food, hang around a sexy chick who doesn't mind me. My life's a 10 out of 10, so why does it feel like something's missing? Is something missing? Did I space on my true goal? His goal's gotta be some revenge shit. And they're trying to protect their families. Is she running for a finish line too? Oh, Miss Makima. I really want to touch her boobs. I gave up on the feel-up thing forever and a day ago, but I've got a big boy job now, so maybe I could pull it off. I doubt I could go all the way with a girl. But second base? Where there's a will, there's a way, and there's definitely a will.
Everyone's serious about this but you.
I understand what he meant now! And I found one or two things I'm serious about. The goal, to give my life purpose, is melons!
As in the fruit?
Idiot! At least try to pay attention. To what?
Some exciting news. Starting today, you'll have a partner.
It's very exciting
Who,
for
me?
melons.
Yes, you. As a precaution, Public Safety executes patrols, small-scale missions, and whatnot with two-person teams. Ah, perfect timing. She's here. Do watch your back, though. She's a bit on the fiendish side.
All right, on your knees, mortal scum! Including so-called partners! You stand in the presence of power!
Power? That's your name? Those horns, wait, hold up! A fiend devil hunter's gotta be breaking some kind of rule! I guess it's fine. Great to meet ya!
It's fine as long as
Fiends are just as much targets for elimination as devils. But since power is highly rational, I appointed her to Hayakawa's squad. Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 4 is experimental after all. Because of that, the higher-ups will be looking to swiftly dissolve your team if you can't get results. You're both aware of what's in store for you should that prove to be the case, yes? Power's horns will attract unwanted attention, so the fewer pedestrians in the areas you patrol, the better.
for me post-haste! I yearn for the savor of blood.
I can put up with crazy as long as the crazy's hot enough. How do I get my hands?
Devil feared by all. I'm sure my sense alone is enough to scare demonic peons away.
You for real? How do we hunt devils with no devils to hunt?
Should you have questions about this change, just ask Hayakawa. He's the one who paired you two together.
That grade A asshole! He set me up. Stuck me with this devil repellent so I can't do anything cool. Sneak attempt to get me fired.
I smell blood!
Hey! What's the rush, crazy? Get back here!
Time to fight! Time to fight! Time to take you out!
Tim, she's fast!
Yes, that's correct, sir. The scene's evacuated and blocked as of now. It's the Sea Cucumber Devil. Requesting backup from the United States. Yeah, Sea Cucumber. Animal, technically. Look, what I'm trying to say...
Holy shit.
Mortals, behold! The glory of the kill is mine!
Hey, so that was very interesting, and now yeah, he got two reasons to stay in the team. He got two beautiful girls. Yeah, I think there's no complaint over there. Yeah, okay. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.